So, hello all. Welcome to another Clojure Diary video. So, in this video, I would like to talk about how easy it is to paginate in Clojure, right? So, that's what I just want to talk. Okay, so let me just say, okay, I just have okay, here I just have a project. It's called Injee. Yeah, I'll explain about Injee later for people who are just watching this video all of a sudden and who don't know the history of what Injee is and all those things. Okay, yeah, let me explain about Injee first. Okay, yeah, so Injee is nothing but a no configuration instant database for front end developers. So I was once asked to learn React, and of course, I don't like even JavaScript, leave alone React. And look, one difference is like between React and Clojure, and Clojure is like okay, the Clojure more and more you learn, you want to learn more, and you feel comfortable. For some reason, in React JS, the more I learned, the more I felt uncomfortable and oh my god, why it's happening, right? So why on earth did they invent this framework or something like that? For Clojure it was a reverse effect. So what I just did was I just wrote my own. Okay, in order to learn a front end framework I also need to hit some APIs, right? So I don't want to keep coding APIs again and again, so I just thought, okay, why can't I just write a backend so that uh, it constructs APIs on the fly. Okay, so that's what Injee is, and with that you can create records, you can fetch it, and all those stuff. And yeah, you can create books, you can list books, or okay, whatever things you want. Okay, it could be cars, spaceships, ice creams, or whatever you want. Okay, so you can just do that, but it also needs pagination, right? So I just want to do pagination in that. So yeah, let's see how to do it. Okay, so over here, yeah, let me just jack in, right? Uh, okay, so I'm just jacking in, and of course, Leningen. I don't know what this dev or whatever means, so I'll just give enter. Hopefully, it will jack in, and I think I can just close these windows. Oh, okay. I don't know. My computer is working, going slow, or whatever it is. I do have a Mac, but I think Apple has changed the software so that the computer becomes really slow, so that I'm being forced to buy a new one. But yeah, I will buy a Linux computer next time, right? So I don't know why it's not jacking in, and I don't know why it's taking so long, right? So yeah, now it's jacked in. Okay, fine, right? So I don't know. I think Mac has made, sorry, Apple has made Mac really slow. So that's the thing, right? Or I don't know. I'm just running some kind of supercomputing stuff in my computer. That's making it really slow, without even my, without even me knowing about it. Okay, so okay, so yeah, you just give 1 plus 1, and we'll just do it. Okay, so yeah, so let me just give something like a range like 1 to 15 or something like that, right? So oops. Okay, so I need to give range 1 to 15, and then okay, so I just get this. So how to paginate? There is an excellent okay, a thing called partition. Parti. Okay, so partition, and then what I can just give is like I just want, yeah, in groups of 4, and then maybe I can just give range 1 to 15. And did I put option enter? Okay, like option enter. Okay, so yeah, I'm just getting it as 4 records or something like that. Okay, so that's the thing. And if I want okay, the third page or something like that. Okay, so let me just have a thing called okay, a thing called page, and let it be okay, yeah. Okay, let me just have a thing called per page and let it be 4, right? So this is the number of records per page, and I'm just giving it as 4, right? And so let me just write it like, okay, like partition, and then per page, and so that's it. So hopefully this should give the same stuff, right? Okay, so I just want to get the second page from this. Okay, so I just want to get the second page from this. So I'll just give like nth, and then uh partition per page, and then what to say, I'll just give like, okay, the second page is what I should give like the first one, right? So this will be the zeroth stuff, and this will be the first stuff. Okay. So instead of that, yeah, let me just put another thing. Like I'll just put like, okay, like def page, and then I'll just give it like the first page, okay, or the second page. Okay, so and then I will just execute this one. Okay, so yeah, so this one is there. So I'll just copy it and paste it. And okay, for the second page, yeah, like in Clojure, things start from zero, right? Zero, one, and two, and all those stuff. Don't ask me why. So uh 9, 10, 11, 12, and I don't know what happened to 13 and 14. Okay, oops. Okay, right. Okay. So does partition have something like, okay, like 13 and 14, like partition all? Okay, I'll just try partition all, right? And then 4 and range, okay, like yeah, 1 to 15, right? Yeah, so I need to use partition all. Okay, so yeah. So like yeah, so what I'll just do is I'll just take this and get the nth. Okay, so and just put this, oops, put this partition all, right? So and then okay, yeah, I'll just put it as per page, that is 4 per page. And I just want what to say, okay, the second page is the first element, right? So this is the zeroth, this is the first. Okay, so don't ask me why Clojure and other programming languages are coded like that, where things start from zero. I don't know, right? So that's the thing. So and I'll just put like, okay, page minus one. So that's it. So I'll be getting the, if I just say the second page, okay, this will be the first one and this will be the second one. Okay, so oops, I just changed the order over here somehow, but okay, that's okay, right? So okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what if I just want the 100th page? Okay, so oops, I don't know why this is happening. So what if I just want the 100th page? Okay, so I'll just give 100. Okay, okay, okay. I'll just give like, okay, like the page is what, def page is 100, and I'll just cut this so that, okay, so and then if I just give like this, definitely execution error, because there aren't 100 elements over here, or 0 to 99 elements are not there over here, right? So that will be error. So what I just need to do is like, if I don't find anything, what should I give out? So maybe I'll just give an empty array, right? So that's it. So that's it. This is a pagination, right? So now I just need to do something like what to say, like, okay, like I just need to put it as a library over here. That I'll just do it. This is a Linengine project. Okay, so I'll just put a new file, right? And then I'll just look. I just give Tamil names for that because that's my mother tongue. Okay, so why do I do that? I don't know, right? Okay, so I just give it as Pakkam. Pakkam means side or page or something like that, right? So I'll just give like, okay, like def page name. Okay, so it should be def and page name. Okay, so and then over here I need a page over here, right? And then I just need per page. Okay, so that's the thing. And all I just, okay, and I just need collection over here. In Clojure, collection is just given like COLL. Okay, so if you're coming from Ruby or something like that, and if you're feeling offended, like I'm not putting collection over here, okay, forgive me. So each and every programming language has its own way of doing things, and people are comfortable with that, and I think we need to respect that. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, I also need to respect JavaScript, but I don't know, like I'm not getting it. Okay, so like it might be because of something in me, something in me is not right. Okay, so that's the thing. So I just need to put collection over here because that's what this range represents. Okay, so I'll just put COLL, right? And I think we are done, right? So let me just what to say, like okay, like I just need to split this to right, split this. Oops. Okay, how to split window to right? Okay, is this one? Yeah, fine. Okay, so I just have Calva over here and Pakam over here, right? So now I can just try it. Okay, so oops. So yeah, so this and what to say, this namespace is loaded over here. Let me just reduce my terminal. I don't want it, and I don't want this one. It's all distraction, right? So now I'll just load this paginate, right? So and I just need to give paginate, and then collection is what, like range 1 to 15, page and per page. Oops. Uh, okay, there is, okay, like, okay, I just want the second page, and per page is 4, right? Okay, so okay, so I just get like 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe if I can just give, I just want the third page, and the per page should be 3, and that's it. This is how you do pagination and Clojure. But of course, I just want to tell you about Injee. Like, it's not meant for storing tens of thousands of records. Maybe it's not even meant for storing thousands of records. Injee means in memory JSON store. So you're going to store it in memory, and that's the thing. Something like Redis or something like that. Okay, so that comes with a HTTP API. Okay, so or REST API. That's it, right? So yeah, for that this is enough. Okay, so this I need to integrate into the code. Yeah, I will just do it. But yeah, before that, there is also a lot of refactoring that needs to be done in Injee and all those stuff. So yeah, I'll just do it. So if you're a front end developer, or if you're a Clojure script developer, and you don't want to develop a backend, just you're just starting a project and you're just starting it from the front end, and you just don't want to develop a backend, you just want to do a POC, then I think Injee will be a very, very good choice for you, right? And I am maintaining it actively, and I am looking for people who will maintain it. So that's the thing. I don't know, my computer is going slow or the network is going slow. Okay, fine. Anyway, it's been time since I've got Apple computer, and definitely Mac just they just slow down their computer. I don't know whether I should switch to Asahi Linux or something like that. So yeah, so yeah, let's come to the video. Like yeah, so this is page rate. Okay, so oh yeah, and yeah, like let me tell about it. Yeah, so even if you're a Clojure script developer, and if you don't want to develop a backend, but you just want an instant backend, yeah, you can use Injee. So please go to the docs, and you can contact me for free support, right? So I feel it's a very, very good project. So even though not many people are using it, I am still very much bullish about Injee. So that's the thing. Okay, yeah, let's come back to the project. Yeah, so this is how PageNet has been done in Clojure. I'll be soon integrating it, maybe releasing it as 0.70 version of Injee, and that's about it. Anyway, so it's so easy to PageNet in Clojure, and what to say. Thanks for watching, and until we meet in next video, bye.